everyone, I'm your host Jackie, and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. Let me ask you a question. When's the last time you cleaned your bathtub? I think sometimes we forget that the very thing that's supposed to clean us, we need to clean as well. So today I'm gonna walk you through some steps on how to thoroughly clean your bathtub and share some helpful tips on the way. Let's get scrubbing. Okay, so this is the bathtub that we're cleaning today. As you can see, it could use some love. It's also really important to clean bathtubs because it can help reduce the spread of bacteria or mold that could be living on the surface. Now, there's a couple of ways for you to clean your bathtub, but I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to do it right here, right now. The first step is to get your bathtub prepped and ready to clean. And what you're gonna do is remove anything that is in the area. So shampoos, conditioners, razors, loofahs, get it out of the way to get ready to clean. The next step is to make sure that there's nothing blocking our bathtub drain. If there is something blocking it, you could always go in with a drain cleaner or a drain weasel to unclog your drain. But since ours is completely clear, we can move on to the next step. We're gonna first go in and clean our tile before the actual bathtub because anything that's on here is gonna slide down into the tub. So we're gonna go in with this tile cleaner first. We're gonna generously spray it all over the wall and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you're reading the back of whatever spray that you're using and follow the instructions. Now I'm gonna take this sponge and really deep clean into this tile. Once you scrub down your tile completely and thoroughly, you're gonna wanna go in with some hot water to clean it all off. Now that we've rinsed it all off, I like to go in with a microfiber towel to just give it that last wipe down to really get anything that's left over and dry it off. All right, now that my tile is all shiny and clean, we're gonna move on to the next step that people often skip over, and that's cleaning your shower curtain. Please clean your shower curtains, you guys, and it's super easy to do. All you need to do is throw both of these in the washer, but just let the plastic part air dry. But for those of you that maybe don't have a shower curtain and you have a glass door, I have a few tips on how you can clean that too. Yes, we are in a different shower, and that's because the bathtub that we're cleaning doesn't have a glass door. It has a shower curtain, but I wanna show you guys how to properly clean a glass door. So I'm gonna show you that today with our own DIY solution. So what I'm going to do is grab some warm vinegar, mix it with some dish soap, mix it together and put it in a spray bottle and scrub this down. After that, I'm gonna go in with the glass cleaner and wipe it down to give it a nice glowing polish. But if you wanna avoid water stains altogether, you could always pick up a squeegee from Lowe's like this. I recommend using the squeegee in between every shower that you take so you could avoid dirty glass. But right now, let's get started on our DIY solution and get scrubbing. And you're gonna wanna make sure to dilute the vinegar with water. Safety first. And voila, look how clean that is. Okay, so we're back at our tub and we're gonna do the same thing that we did for our tile with the tub. We're gonna take this spray it generously throughout the tub and then let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, this is a game changer and I'm really excited to show you guys because if you have any hard to reach places or any stains that are really hard to get out, you need to use this powered scrubbing brush. It is a game changer. So you just press this button like this. Look at that. We've already cleaned our tile, but again, I just want to show you That's a really hard place to get, especially if you're short, so you can use it up there. But I'm gonna take this and bring it into the tub to get out any of those stubborn stains in our tub. Also, this is just a great way to save your back. You don't need to bend over. It gets all of that dirt and it scrubs just as hard as if you would yourself. When it comes to the faucets, I like to go in with a little handheld scrubber brush just so that I could get into the nooks and crannies of it. Now all there's left to do is to rinse this down and then dry it off. All right, our bathtub has never looked better and it was super easy to clean and didn't take that long. A good rule of thumb though is to deep clean your bathtub at least once every month to have it looking at its best. For everything you need to clean your bathtub, showers, and bathrooms, you can find it at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And while you're there shopping, if you have any questions, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section below what you want to see on the next How To Anything video.